This is unit 461 here at TriVista. This is our one bedroom floor plan, the 1J.1. And this one is 965 square feet. So in the kitchen here, plenty of cupboard space. We've got the island where you can place some bar stools, built-in pantry cupboards. The store here is going to be your full-size washer and dryer, front-loading machines. Very spacious living room, a lot of windows, a lot of natural sunlight. Plenty of space for living room furniture, plus your home office. You do get a large balcony. We are west facing on this one. This does overlook the pool. And then a little bit cloudy today, but you do have a mountain view. Heading over this way, we do have the bathroom with that dual vanity. Built-in shelves and then the large glass shower. Right here outside the bathroom, double door coat closet. So plenty of extra storage space. Got our bedroom here, ceiling fan included. Plenty of space for a king-size bed and then some. And then a nice large walk-in closet. And again, we're in unit 461. This is that 1J.1 floor plan.